If you're the grill master of your family or friend group, you're going to need a high-quality grill brush to make sure that summer cookouts go off without a hitch. According to Paul Sidoriak, barbecue expert and founder of Grilling Montana, every time you grill, your food leaves some kind of residue on the grill's grates. It doesn't take long for fat, oils, and bits of food to turn rancid, which will produce acrid smoke. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 grill brushes on the market. We have done our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. RTT Griddle Cleaning Kit for Blackstone. An eco-friendly alternative to the traditional grill brush is Kelfoya Elazi's Grill Griddle Cleaning Brick Block. It is made entirely with a pumice stone that is both non-toxic and odorless. It is non-absorbent and is also safe for use on ceramic and metal. It features an anti-slip grip to make using it easier, and its size is specifically designed to promote cleaning without straining your hands. Pumice is naturally and subtly abrasive, which makes it a great option for cleaning without damaging the grill. Like our option for the best wooden brush, grooves will form with this block around your particular grill's grates for more specific cleaning. Be aware that dust will be left behind after using this block, so you will need to take the extra step of either blowing the dust off or wiping the grill down with a wet rag afterward. Materials: pumice stone, dimensions, 2.8 by 1.5 by 3.9 inches. Number 2. Grill Rescue Barbecue Replaceable Scraper Cleaning Head. Unlike other grill brushes on our list, Grill Rescue's grill brush with scraper actually requires that the grill be hot for it to work, as it operates by using steam to clean the grill, not abrasion from bristles. The absorbent foam head is made of aramid fiber, which is a material that is used in firefighters' gear to protect the head from heat. Its design also features a scraper to remove the more stubborn caked-on food from the grill. In addition to the heat-protected head, the stainless steel scraper is rust-resistant. According to the manufacturer, the polypropylene handle is strong enough to survive being run over by a truck. Another added benefit of this brush is that Grill Rescue does sell replacement heads should you need one. And without any metal bristles, you won't need to worry about a bristle sticking to the grill and then ending up in your food. Number 3. Grate Scrape Shovel. Grate Scrapes the woody shovel is an excellent option for someone who prefers wood to steel or bristles. At 20 inches long, it's longer than most of the other options on our list to help keep your hands protected while grilling and cleaning. The longer profile also means that you can use both hands for added leverage and deeper cleaning with a grill cleaner. What makes this option particularly special is that it will become customized to your grill. When it arrives, it has a flat edge, but as it comes into contact with heat and your grill, grooves will form in the exact spot as the grates on your grill for more specialized cleaning. Unlike wire options, this 20-inch long wooden brush is designed to last. It doesn't become smashed down when used, which also prevents the grill from being damaged during cleaning. Materials: solid red oak, beech hardwoods. Number 4. Stainless steel Great Valley Bristle. For a stainless steel option that will outlast other brushes, Sidoriak recommends Grill Grates the stainless steel Great Valley grill brush. He likes it for the bristle-free design and tells us that the curved cleaning surface is sturdy and allows me to leverage a little elbow grease on stubborn bits that don't easily want to release. The 9.5-inch handle and 4-inch brush heads fit into crevices other brushes can't reach. Additionally, dual heads enable the user to clean 2 separate valleys at the same time. One other thing to note is that this option is a bit narrower than other choices, meaning you'll need to spend more time cleaning individual sections of your grill. Overall, though, its price is lower than many alternatives, and the stainless steel material tends to hold up longer than other products, making it a good investment. Materials: stainless steel, dimensions, 9.5-inch handle, 4-inch brush heads. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Grilling Cold Clean Grill Brush. The OXO Good Grips Nylon Grill Brush offers the deep cleaning power of nylon with the added help of a scraper for removing the more hard-to-clean stuck bits on your grill. Unlike other brushes, this one's stainless steel scraper has cutouts that are specifically engineered to help you target the burnt bits left over from your favorite grilled foods. Additionally, the design features first-row bristles that are angled to help them fit into the harder-to-reach corners of your grill. The heads on this brush are replaceable to help it last longer while also doing its part to prevent waste. This brush is versatile and can even be used to clean coated ceramic. However, as is the case with other nylon brushes, you will want to be cautious to keep it away from heat, as the heat will melt the nylon. As a result, you should only use this option on a cold grill. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.